Classians, hope you all are fine and well at your places. This is your art and craft time and today I am going to make you learn origami flower. So get ready to do this activity. To make origami flower, the material you require is pink and green color A4 size sheet, Fevicol for pasting and scissor. First of all, take the pink color A4 size sheet. It is rectangular in shape. To make it square shape, fold it like this. Now fold the extra part of this sheet which is on the right side. Fold this extra part like this and cut it with scissor. Now this sheet will become in square shape. With this square shape sheet, we will do folding like a handkerchief. First of all, fold it from the bottom to the top like this, then give one more fold. After folding like a handkerchief, see all the sides. This one is closed, this one is opened. These all four are open. First of all, take these two sides and fold it like this. After folding, you will get the shape like this. Now take a black marker or pen and draw a leaf shape. Now cut this shape with scissor. Open this shape. You will get the shape of your flower. Now cut one petal from this flower. You can easily see the crease on these petals. So cut one petal with scissor. In this manner, after cutting the petal, apply Fevicol on one petal of this flower. Then put one petal on another like this. Now we will give shape to the petals. For this, take a pencil and keep the pencil on the back side of the petals and fold it like this. It will give natural look to the petals. After folding all the petals, take the rest part of the pink sheet. Fold this paper from the bottom to the top. Now take the scissor and start making cuts on it. After making cuts on this sheet, roll it like this. Roll it, again roll it till the end. And after reaching the end, apply Fevicol and paste it. Now take the flower and make a hole like this and put this roll flour into this big flour. Our flour is ready to learn the stick of this flour. You can see the second part of this video. Thank you so much.